guys, it's me, Jonathan, Jonsoto123. I'm back with another video. If you saw the video I posted on my YouTube channel, the one of me giving my dog a bath, and please share that video, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, here's another video. I am with my sister. I don't know why I'm keeping doing this, but I'm with my sister and I get to hang out with her. And yeah, if you have anything to say, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you. And I will record when she's out. She is taking a long time to come out, so I forgot to bring my camera with. And yeah, I thought it was in my bag, but it's not. It's out. I don't know, I think I left it in my mom's truck. But yeah, here's my sister. Cassie, sorry. Yeah, let me put this down quick. Hold this like this. Okay, hold on guys.
I think so.
Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna record when we get to our destination. Yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. And yeah. Okay, it's recording.
Okay, so right now I'm playing with Legos.
Oh guys, look, it's windy out, if you can't.
Also the batteries here. And yeah. So I'm gonna play it like the truck is slipping, and then like it was like when I was on my truck side down.
Hold on, let me put the camera down quick.
Okay, so yeah. Also, it doesn't work.
Can you see yourself?
Yep. I want to be able to see the Legos though.
You can't see the Legos?
I can't see the Legos.
Have it now.
Yep. So come on. We have to go SpongeBob.
Okay, let's get quick and let's show
I
them
forgot
the.
this was SpongeBob in the car.
Let's show them the snowman. We tried to make yesterday. Okay, guys. So yesterday we tried to make a snowman. I don't know if you can. Yeah, I don't know if you can see me because of the light. Okay, so we tried to make a snowman yesterday. Let me talk, please. We tried to make a snowman and it failed. I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, this is what a snowman looks like. I will take a picture and post it on the screen if you can't really see it, okay? Yeah. You want to go inside?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to go inside. I'm going to take a picture of a snowman. It's windy out. Okay, so I will record you guys while we're outside. Okay guys, I'm back. We had to go inside because it was really cold out. Really cold out. Like also the bear. Yeah, my battery's gonna die, so I have to make this quick.
And probably switch to the phone one. So his battery is gonna die.
Come over here. So, if you guys haven't noticed, I got a new battery for my laptop. And the sticker. Yeah, so if you have any questions or want me to talk about something specific, make sure you comment below. Follow my social medias, they will be in the description below. I hope you like this video, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.